So how to connect Xbox controller or any controller with your Samsung Galaxy A16 and play game. Turn on your Xbox controller and at the same time press and hold on your Bluetooth and enable your Bluetooth option on your Xbox controller. Once the logo is popping up, that's mean your controller is ready to connect. Now press on Xbox wireless controller, pair. Now logo is stop in Xbox, that's mean it's connected successfully. Let's check. Sorry, yeah, it's connected. Now let's play a game and check it's working or not. Now open a game. That's it.